Welcome to the presentation on JavaScript, an essential programming language for web development. Today, we'll explore what JavaScript is, why it's crucial to learn, its benefits, uses in web development, software requirements, recommended editors, and compatible web browsers. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a versatile and powerful language that allows web developers to bring web pages to life. Unlike HTML, which defines the structure of a page, and CSS, which styles its appearance, JS injects interactivity. Imagine buttons that respond to clicks. The high-level, interpreted programming language adds dynamic and interactive elements to web pages, executes code directly within web browsers, forms that validate user input, or animations that captivate viewers. That's the magic of JS. Why learn JavaScript? In today's web-driven world, JS is an indispensable skill for anyone aspiring to be a web developer. With JS, you can craft user interfaces that feel alive, transform static pages into dynamic experiences, and build complex web applications. The good news is, JS is known for its approachable syntax and vast learning resources, making it a great starting point for your programming journey. Furthermore, JS proficiency opens doors to both front-end development, focusing on user interfaces, and back-end development, handling server-side logic. Benefits of JavaScript. By incorporating JS into your web projects, you reap a multitude of benefits. First, JS fosters user engagement by enabling interactive features that keep visitors glued to your web pages. Second, JS promotes performance through asynchronous programming, which allows web pages to load content without stalling the entire user experience. Third, JS boasts exceptional cross-platform compatibility, ensuring your web creations function flawlessly across different browsers and devices. Finally, JS streamlines development by offering a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that provide pre-built functionalities, saving you time and effort. Uses of JavaScript in web development. Form validation ensures data input meets specified criteria before submission. Dynamic content updates content dynamically without refreshing the entire page, enhancing user experience. Event handling responds to user interactions like clicks, scrolls, and keyboard inputs. DOM manipulation changes HTML, CSS, and content structure to create dynamic effects and interactions. Software requirements for JavaScript development. Text editor/IDE. Recommended editors include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Atom, or WebStorm for a robust development environment. Node.js, required for server-side JavaScript development and installing packages using NPM, Node Package Manager. Browser developer tools. Chrome DevTools, Firefox Developer Tools, and other browser tools are essential for debugging and testing JavaScript code. Recommended editors for JavaScript. Visual Studio Code. VS Code offers a lightweight yet powerful environment with built-in support for JavaScript, debugging tools, and extensions. Sublime Text. Known for its speed and simplicity, Sublime Text is a popular choice for JavaScript development with a customizable interface. Atom, a highly customizable editor developed by GitHub. Atom provides a rich plugin ecosystem and Git integration. WebStorm, a full-featured IDE specifically designed for web development, offering advanced JavaScript support, debugging, and code analysis tools. Web browsers for JavaScript. Google Chrome, widely used and provides excellent developer tools like Chrome DevTools for debugging and profiling JavaScript code. Mozilla Firefox offers robust developer tools, including the Firefox Developer Edition for web development and debugging. Microsoft Edge, formerly Internet Explorer. Edge has modernized its JavaScript engine and supports modern web standards and developer tools. Safari, Apple's browser with strong JavaScript performance and integrated tools for web development and debugging. Latest updates in JavaScript. Private class fields enhances data privacy within classes. Top-level await simplifies asynchronous code usage outside of functions. Weak references optimizes memory management for weakly referenced objects. Class static blocks enables initialization logic before object creation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel.